Well, hello, here at the Wild YouTube channel. Today we're going to be restoring, let's see, this pry tool. The handle is all paint. This is all paint. This is all paint. So we're going to touch that up with the Dremel, get rid of all that, and then file all this paint off right here, and then maybe put some wax on the wood, then we'll be good. So this is part one. But I don't have all of the things that I need to fully restore it. So I think this is going to be the starter video. Let's get right into it. Now we're going to work on the handle. This handle doesn't look as good as I thought it would, so you guys probably know what that means. Now I'm going to char it because it doesn't look, the handle doesn't look exactly like I thought it would, and then we'll give it some wood wax and we're done. After the char, this is what it looks like. We're going to hit it with the same sandpaper again. Now we're going to take this 220. Not too bad. Now we're going to put a little wax on it, and there we go. I literally just went to go wash my hands, and it looks like all the wax had soaked in. So we just give it a little wipe. Small wipe. I don't think I got any wax on that. There you go. There we go. Looks pretty dang good, if you ask me. Give that a wipe. Alright, there we go. Pretty good project. Now I got a one paper towel here. I'm just gonna get rid of all the excess that's on there. And there we go. Alright guys, here is the project. I'm pretty sure it's a paint can opener or a pry bar. I'm just going to say it's a pry bar in the title, but I'm thinking of posting videos every Sunday night or morning, doesn't matter. Every Sunday, we'll just say. So this will come out on a Sunday, and while I was signing off, I'll see you guys next time.